Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the example for integration. Express the situation given in partial fraction. So let's begin. Curly refers to the numerator, we have the highest power, which is the power 2. For the denominator, we have the highest power, which is the cube. So this one considered as proper fraction. So we have 6x squared minus the x plus the 7 over, we have the linear factor, multiply with, we have the repeated linear. So we have the basic structure. So 4 minus 3x, and then plus, we have 1 plus the x for the first time, 1 plus the x for the second time. So here we have the constant, because the denominator, we have the linear. Same goes to this part and also this part. So multiply all the terms with 4 minus 3x, 1 plus x squared. So we will have 6x squared minus the x plus the 7 equals to a multiply 1 plus x squared. Plus with the b, we have 1 plus x and then 4 minus 3x. Plus with the c, we have 4 minus 3x. Next, we are going to find a, b, and also the c. In order to find the a, we have to make sure b and c disappear. So kindly refers to b and c. Notice that we have the common terms where we have 4 minus 3x. So in order to eliminate the b and c, so the value of x must be equals to 4 over the 3. Continue. Next is to find b. So refers to the a and c. Do they have the common terms? So the answer is no. Never mind, we will skip for c. In order to find c, notice that we have the a and b, they have the same common terms, or we can say where we have 1 plus x. So x is equals to negative 1. Then for sure a and b will be eliminated. Next, go back to b. You can substitute any value of x other than 4 over 3 and negative 1. So my suggestion will be x is equals to 0. So by referring to the calculator, key in 6x squared minus x plus the 7. So calculate the situation. If we substitute x is equals to 4 over 3, then we will have 49 over 3 on the left. Continue. If we substitute 0, then we will have 7 on the left. If we substitute negative 1, we will have 14 on the left. Next, let's begin with the situation A. If we substitute 4 over 3, very obvious, b and c will be eliminated. So we will have the situation 7 over 3 squared. Then we have 49 over the 9a. Next, we have a, which is equals to 3. Continue. Next, focus on the c, then only the b. If we substitute the negative 1, then very obvious, the a and b will be eliminated. So focus on the c. We have the 7c. So c is equals to 2. Finally, if we substitute 0, so very obvious, we'll have a, and then plus, we have 4b, and then plus with the 4c. Substitute the value a and also the c. So 7 is equals to 3 plus with the 4b plus with the 8. So we will have the value negative 4 on the left and then 4b. So b will be equals to negative 1. So finally, substitute the situation. 6x squared minus the x plus the 7 over, we have 4 minus 3x bracket, 1 plus the x bracket square, where we have the situation 3 over 4 minus 3x. b, we have negative 1 over 1 plus the x, and then we have the c, where we have 2 over 1 plus x bracket square. So that is the partial fraction. Continue. Question asks us to show that we have the situation given, which is equals to 1 plus ln 2. So what we have to do is to focus on this part. So kindly rewrite the situation. So we have the integrate, where we have 3 over 4 minus 3x. Minus, we have 1 over 1 plus with the x. Plus, we have the 2 multiply with 1 plus with the x bracket negative 2. Respect to x for the limit 0 until 1. So let's begin. So if we integrate the situation, then we will have 3 ln bracket 4 minus 3x. So do remember, differentiate the internal function, and we have negative 3. Minus, we have the ln 1 plus with the x. Continue, we have the minus 2 over 1 plus with the x. So with the limit 1, 0. So kindly substitute the situation. So here we have negative ln 4 minus 3x minus ln 1 plus with the x minus 2 over 1 plus with the x. So if we substitute the situation, and we will have negative ln 1 minus, we have the ln 2 minus the 1. So that is the situation when we substitute x equals to 1. Next, if we substitute 0, negative ln 4, negative ln 1 minus the 2. So rewrite the situation. So as we all know, this one is 0, so negative ln 2 minus the 1, and then we have plus ln 4. This one is a 0, then plus with the 2. So rewrite the situation. So we have ln 4 minus the ln 2, and then plus with the 1. So from here, making use of the law of log, so ln bracket 4 over the 2 plus with the 1. So from here we have ln 2 plus with the 1. Then we already show the situation.
If you are new here, kindly consider subscribing to this channel and share this video to your friend. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.